Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Lorena Castro and today we're gonna be creating a nice hairstyle. Okay, I prepared already my hair. What I'm gonna do now is just a parting, just maybe zigzag one. Need two small elastic bands. I'm gonna leave the front down. Something like that. I'm gonna make a braid just on the side. Just a braid just here. Braid here. And we're gonna do another one here. We're gonna open the braid just like that. We're doing the same in the other side. Okay, braids on. Leave the front down. Put a little bit less. Front down. And we're gonna bring everything to the back. What we're gonna do is we're gonna bring all the ponytail through here. And remember, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.